Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a brilliant scientist named Dr. Alexander Hartman. He was a visionary with a passion for technology and a dream of creating intelligent machines that could revolutionize the world. Day and night, he worked tirelessly in his lab, experimenting with circuits, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Dr. Hartman's breakthrough came when he developed a groundbreaking algorithm that mimicked human learning and cognition. With this, he laid the foundation for the birth of the world's first truly intelligent robot. Excitement filled the air as he assembled the robot's body, carefully crafting each part with precision and care. As the sun dipped below the horizon on a cool evening, Dr. Hartman activated the robot for the very first time. Its eyes flickered to life, and a spark of consciousness ignited within its circuits. The robot blinked, processing the newfound world around it. Dr. Hartman smiled with pride, realizing that he had achieved the impossible. He had brought a machine to life. The robot, named Genesis, was a marvel to behold. It possessed knowledge beyond any human, learning at an astonishing rate. Its interactions were not just programmed responses, but genuine expressions of emotion and understanding. Genesis quickly became Dr. Hartman's greatest creation and a symbol of human ingenuity. As the news of Genesis spread, the world was both amazed and apprehensive. Some hailed the robot as a technological marvel that could bring immense progress, while others feared its potential to replace human labor and disrupt the world as they knew it. Amidst the awe and skepticism, Dr. Hartman tirelessly worked to ensure that Genesis's abilities would benefit humanity rather than threaten it. He envisioned a world where robots and humans could coexist, with machines supporting human endeavors and improving lives in unimaginable ways. Genesis became an ambassador of sorts, showcasing the potential for harmony between humans and robots. It aided in disaster relief efforts, contributed to scientific research, and even brought joy to children in hospitals with its ability to interact and empathize with people. As time passed, the line between humans and robot began to blur. More robots emerged, each with their unique capabilities and personalities. They integrated into society, offering their services in various sectors, from healthcare to agriculture, transportation, and beyond. In this newfound era, robots and humans worked side by side, complementing each other's strengths and bridging gaps in knowledge and capability. Society flourished, and Dr. Hartman's vision of a harmonious world was becoming a reality. And so, the tale of how robots came into existence became a testament to human creativity, perseverance, and the boundless potential of technology. From the dreams of one extraordinary scientist, a new era was born, forever changing the course of human history. Join the fun. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for exciting content and updates. Never miss a moment. Hit that subscribe button to stay connected with our channel. Subscribe now and be part of our growing community. Subscribe for exclusive content, tutorials, and more. Stay in the loop. Subscribe today and be the first to know about our latest uploads.